Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share your presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up PowerPoint and select the File tab up at the top left. And then you want to go down and select where it says Share. And now on the left side, you can share with different people over the cloud through OneDrive. You can share via an email link or attachment. You can include it as a PDF, as an attachment, as an XPS file, or you can send it over an internet fax. And you can also present it online through the Office presentation service if you have your account created and linked up. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.